on, everybody? We're going out for another beautiful island adventure. It is currently 5:51 in the morning. I do not have the incredible Sai with me, or the mama. They did not want to get up this early. I want to be there at sunrise. So it's currently 59 degrees. I'm cruising down the park road. Today, our main focus is going to be on Pompano. We had the water temperatures drop out of the 80s into the upper 70s. The water clarity's been pretty good the last couple of days. And it sounded like it could be pretty promising for some Pompano. We have a low tide at 9:17 this morning. And then it'll come up to, I think, 2 foot by 5:14 this evening. But we're not going to stay that long. We're going to catch the morning bite, and we're going to stay probably till noon, 1 o'clock, catch a little of that incoming tide. I'm going to try something a little different today. Instead of mullet and live bait, I'm going to work my way up the food chain while I fish for Pompano. It's still nice and dark. Roosters haven't even crowed yet. So we'll see you guys back here when we get on the sand. Peace! Alright, so we have reached destination. I'm going to be rigging up a Sea Striker circle hook Pompano rig. It's a double rig with 2 floats, 2 2-aught hooks, a clasper for your weight, and a swivel to connect on. That's predominantly what I'm going to be using today as I focus on catching these Pompano, but it's still early. We're going to get rigged up, and hopefully we'll be seeing you here soon when the sun comes up. Alright, so here we are. We've reached destination. Little Shell Beach, a little further down than last time. We've got the moon in the background. Nice full moon. And then we've got the sun rising right behind us. It's going to be a beautiful day. All the clouds are starting to float up north. As long as that keeps up, I think we're going to have a pretty good day, and we'll see what we can catch. So far, nothing but 1 catfish, but that was before the sun rose, so. And it is winter. You get a lot of whiting and a lot of hardheads, so we'll see what we can come up with. Hopefully we can get some pomps. Ha! All right. Looks like we got another catch on. Let's see what we got here. Whatever it is, it's got to be small. It's not fighting a whole lot, at least not yet anyway. It is racing left a bit. It's coming straight at us, so it can't be too big. Like I said, all I got is Pompano rigs. Oh, now there's a little weight on it. We'll see. Ooh. What in the world? There is something on here. Looks like probably some grass too. Watches have nothing but grass. Probably nothing but grass. Oh, there's something on there. Look like another whiting probably. Or a little pinner catfish. Probably pinner catfish, right? Oh no, it's another whiting. There we go. A Gulf kingfish, also known as a whiting. It's like the 5th one I've caught now. Alright, so I've just got a simple Pompano rig here with a 3-ounce surf weight. Running off of a Penn Battle 2 5000 on a 10-foot Tika surf rod. I'm gonna haul this son of a gun out here. We're gonna give ourselves a nice hauling cast. Try to get out past that break that just happened right there. If we can get out past that, we will be in business. Now mind you, the water has dropped into the 70s, upper 70s for temperature. So it's a little chillier than normal. I am seeing some mullet in the surf, so might have to start casting for some mullet. We'll get up the small rod, keep her in close, and we'll see if we can get something out of this first gut in front of us. But right now, we're gonna try to break past that next sandbar. Woo-wee! All right. So, here comes the launch. We're going out past that far one. Oh, perfect. Freaking perfect. Couldn't ask for better placement. It is a lovely day. You can see the bottom of the water. It's like an underwater desert. What a beautiful day. This morning's turning out pretty nice in terms of weather and just overall conditions. I haven't caught much yet, just some whiting and hard heads. I got one whiting on video just to show. But hopefully we'll get some pompano here soon. And with as nice as stuff looks, if we don't start getting some better action here soon. And we're definitely going to change up positions. We got something on the small surf rod. Set that hook in. All right, yeah, there's something on here. You can feel it. It doesn't feel super big, but you never can fucking tell. It's been pretty paralyzingly slow this morning. Oh yeah, this might actually be a pompano. The way it's pulling. And it is racing hard to the right. This might actually be a pompano. That would be amazingly awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, it's cruising. This has got to be a pomp. Only pompano cruise like that. Please be a pompano. Oh, it looks like, what in the fucking world? It is a pompano. It is a massive, massive pompano. Yeah, boy. Woohoo! Look at the size of that guy. Oh my Lord. Just to give you kind of an idea. Now that is going home and going on the grill, boy. All right, you got yourself all twisted up here. All right, chill out, chill out. First pompon. All right, we got something on the big caster. I switched back to pompano on it so I could get a good winger out there. Tide's out, so you got to cast further. I don't know what I got on here, but it seemed like it was pulling pretty good. See if it starts racing. If it starts racing real hard, it's probably a pompano. Oh, what is it? Look like something. I'm just dragging her though. Is it a pomp? Looks like a pomp. Maybe. It's a little bitty pomp. And a whiting. Look at that. Pompano whiting double up with the ever so present thank you from humanity. We're gonna let these go though, they too little. Let's put that there, because we're gonna throw that away. Well, we are catching some pompano. They are here. That one's not quite as big as the last one. There you go, Mr. Whiting and Mr. Pompano. If you are nice, put your spikes down. This is a thorny little bastard right here, I tell you what. But look at that. That's just a cool fish, period. Let's let him go though, he's a little small. Let's let him grow up to be a nice, huge pompano. There you go, little buddy. There he goes. All right. Let's go throw that piece of trash away before we cast out. Anytime I catch bags and garbage, I always pick it up. Sickens me. I mean, seems like nowadays I'll catch at least 3 to 6 bags per trip out. Never used to be like that, but sure is anymore. All right, we got something else coming in. Let's see what we got. Another double up on whiting. A lot of whiting today. Caught tons of them. Probably upwards of 20 or 30 now. Still looking for them pompano. Make sure we return all these back to the ocean. Thank you, ocean, for providing us with some fun. Just a beautiful place to hang out. Can't ask for a better day. Beautiful. It's the end of October into November. Let's get this back out there. Some more sand flea fish bites, Tika surf rod, 10-footer, and a Pin Battle 2 5000. That's the one that landed me that last pompano. Really hoping for another good size one would be freaking sweet. Woo! Oh, jellyfish in the water. Come on, get out there, baby. Yeah, boy, perfect. That is just perfect. Good lead. Oh. We got fish on. Yes, we have fish on the large setup. It's not racing real hard yet. I don't think it's pompano. Might be another whiting unless it starts running real hard. Another whiting. Thinking we might have something on here. Whatever it is, it keeps tap, tap, tapping. Come on, Pompano, where you at? Come on. Feel you. Like stupid little whiting or thinner catfish. All right, here we go. I think there's something on there. Oh yeah, there's something on there. Oh, come on, are you racing? Are you racing? That would be good. Let's see what we got. Some more whiting. I'm telling you. Now we're starting to pass up there. I'm starting to lose count. Feels like we got something on the big rod. Oh yeah, we got something on here. This might actually be a pompano. Oh yeah, it's racing. It's racing. Come on, baby, give me another pump. Give me another pump. Oh, it's gotta be a pompano. Yeah, it's racing. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Now that's a monster. Look at that shit. Woo-wee. That's number 2, boy. All right, we got dinner tonight. Look at the size of this one. I mean, that thing's pretty good size. All right, chill out, buddy. You want that hook out? There we go. Oh God, there we are. Yeah, boy. That's a solid pompano right there. Angry little bastard. Woo-wee. That's going in the bucket. We gonna be grilling tonight. All right, chill out. All right. Keep the wind off of there. Let's get some new bait. Ah. Now that's what we came to catch today. Got ourselves 2 pompano. Good size too. I mean, this is gonna be a good day. Let's get some more bait back out here. All right, I think we got something on this 10-footer with the Battle 2. Been pulling pretty nice. Seems like it's racing. It might be another pompano. Oh yeah. It's gotta be a pompano. It's cruising too hard. Oh, it's a double up. That's what it is. Wonder what we doubled up on. Come on. Oh, another pump! Woohoo! Yeah, boy! Look at that. Number 3 for today. Number 3. Look at that. That's another good size. Oh, buddy. Let's get this whiting off of here. Get him back in the water. There is going to be a pompano fish fry at my house tonight. I'll have to say I'm very, very well pleased with stuff right now. I knew there was something decent on there. That line, I went and talked to the neighbors down the way, down here. They just caught a 3-foot, maybe a little over 3-foot black tip. Look at that, boy. Mama's gonna be happy. Whoo-wee. So, I am quickly filling up a bucket of these bastards. We're gonna have to leave here pretty quick, but whew, yes. Uh-oh. Back on my surf rod again. There's something on, fish on. Oh yeah, fish on. This might be another pompano. Oh yeah, feels like it. It's racing. Yeah, this might be another pompano. Here he comes. Yeah, he's running right at us now. He's racing. Oh, it is another pomp. It's a little bitty guy. There we go, there's the little one. All right, it's been another successful island adventure. We caught what we came here for, and the typical side fish that come with it, some whiting and hardheads. Had one shark visit real early in the morning, threw out for sharks with cut bait and stuff, never got a single bite. So we're gonna have to wrap her up on 3 massive pompano and 1 small that I couldn't release. I don't like keeping them too small, but I'll keep that one only for the simple fact that, well, he wasn't gonna make it anyway. It'll be good enough for a taco. Dang flies. Gotta love that. But I appreciate y'all for joining me, and I hope you had fun.